Hey, what's up guys? If you love grilling, it's a great idea to have a really strong flavor building marinade and a delicious finishing sauce. And luckily with homemade chimichurri, you've got 2-in-1 right there. This is one of my favorite recipes and it whips up in seconds. Super easy to make and I think you're gonna love it. So let me show you how to make it. All right guys, so let's make chimichurri. Super easy and quick recipe today. Only 8 ingredients. So get yourself a mixing bowl and all your ingredients set up here. And first we have a half a cup of packed chopped parsley. And flat leaf parsley is way more commonly used, but you can use curly parsley. It's really to your taste. And when we are in South America, you definitely see more flat leaf, but you definitely see it everywhere. So, and variations do exist. Many, many variations. And I also have a tablespoon of chopped fresh oregano from our little herb garden. I love our herb garden. And I have 3 good size minced garlic cloves. And olive oil. We have a half a cup of olive oil. You can use other oils as a variation, but I love the flavor of a really good olive oil. I like a Tuscan olive oil, but really use your favorites. Any oil that you like the flavor of will work for this. And 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And I have a half teaspoon of salt. Really salt to taste. It's always salt to taste, guys. And a half teaspoon of red chili flake. This is gonna add our little bit of spiciness to it. And black pepper. I've got a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, because I like pepper in mine. And mix it up, mix it up. This is a super simple, fresh herb sauce. There's so many herb sauces around the world. This is one of the best. Look at that, super simple. It's done in seconds, right? Most of the time spent chopping. So variations do exist, and we found a number of different ones on our way through South America, on our way to Antarctica, which is a whole story by itself. But in Argentina and Brazil, this was served everywhere, slightly different no matter where you went. So definitely ways to change it. And one of my favorite ways to play with it at home is to add some minced or chopped hot chilies. Definitely not traditional, but delicious, and it's mine. So let's talk about uses. This is a fantastic marinade as well as a sauce. So you can marinate pretty much anything you want and then grill it up and finish it with the same sauce. So it's great for vegetables, but it's also fantastic on steak, particularly flank steak like chimichurri steak. Churrasco is a famous South American dish. It's great for chimichurri chicken, which I have on the website, chimichurri shrimp, which I have on the website. So many ways to enjoy it. And really, it's fantastic on anything on the grill. That's it, guys. That's how you make homemade chimichurri. Super versatile and definitely delicious. So, hey, if you guys are looking for some more amazing recipes, boom and boom right here. Let's get cooking. So, hey, I'd love to hear what you guys think of the recipe in the comments below, and I'd love to hear how you are gonna serve yours. So, all right, I hope to see you guys in the kitchen next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.